Hello everyone, what's up? This is Natalie from Serpstat, and I want to welcome you all back into our Serpstat series. But before we go ahead and discuss about another topic for today, I just want to give you all a quick PSA about our lead generation tool that you can find over at Serpstat.com. So let me just load that up and tell you a bit about how or what this lead generation tool does. So if you're looking for a way to get free SEO audits in less than 37 seconds for your website, then all you have to do is sign up for a free audit here in Serpstat. And then also, if you want a free guide that shows you how Serpstat is generating agencies, an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So all you have to do is just leave your first name and email and then click on this find out how button so that you can be given that guide. So having said that, let's head on back to Serpstat.com so that we can discuss about a new topic for today. And starting from this video, we'll be talking about the core tools that Serpstat offers once you have a subscription with them. So just to give you an idea, we are subscribed to Serpstat, although I believe that there are still some limitations despite our subscription because there are different tiers to a subscription, so it will all or the access will all depend on what tier you are subscribed on. So today we'll be talking about domain analysis, and as you can see, there are different subcategories under a certain tool. So today we'll only be discussing about the overview of domain analysis. So clicking on that would lead you to this page wherein you'll be asked to enter a domain and select the database. So for us, of course, we'll just be using Serpstat.com. So since it is an overview, you can expect to see a lot of widgets and metrics all over the page. So you can see visibility, estimated search traffic, organic keywords, paid keywords, and all of these and the others as well will be discussed further more on the subcategories right over here on the side. But I just want to give you a quick look on what domain analysis as a whole is like for Serpstat. So those are some things that you can get, as well as organic keywords, paid keywords, keyword position distribution, subdomains, traffic trend, and there are also some graphs explaining or visualizing what the results are like for particular months. So you also have keyword trends, top pages, competitors in organic search. So this is a good section to have because you'll be able to identify your competitors as well as get some insights into what common keywords you have, the relevance, visibility, and such. You also have competitors graph over here and competitors in ads examples, rank tracker. So these ones, I believe you can modify this as we go along. So let's see how that will go. We also have rank tracker, backlinks, overview. So if you're unfamiliar with the term or what that specific metric is, all you have to do is hover on this little eye right here and you'll be given an explanation about that particular metric. So for backlinks overview, this is what it means. Then you also get site audit. And if you want to run an audit, of course, all you have to do is just click on the start audit button right here. And this one for creating a report, we have a separate video for this. So if you want to know how to do that, then please do check our playlist and you'll find a specific video talking about how to create a report here in Serpstat. But yep, overall, that is it for the overview for domain analysis. So for the next videos, we'll be talking a lot more in depth about what these specific subcategories are and what they do or what they offer and how they can help in further establishing your business in mainstream or in the SERP rather. So if you have any takeaways, to leave those in the comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video And also subscribe to Serpstat.com. And that is it for I hope that you would tune in again on the next video. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching.